Does your swimming pool heater system run continuously? Or do you have a timer for it to turn on during the day? What if it's raining? Will your pump still turn on? What this summertime project aims to do is to toggle your pool's heating system based on temperature. With only a few electronic components and some coding in Python, Angular, and Spring Boot, I was able to do exactly this. I used the thermistor and resistor circuit to measure temperature, an ADC to convert the thermistor analog data to digital data, a relay to toggle the pump, and a Raspberry Pi, which is the brains of the system. Wiring everything up, soldering what needs to be soldered, cutting holes into an enclosure, bolting everything into it, and laying the sensor to the roof, we get something I like to call the pump controller. In addition to this, I have another Raspberry Pi, the Control Hub. It serves a website that end users can use to set the temperature at which the controller must toggle. It also allows users to override the pump. The idea with the second Raspberry Pi is that I will be able to connect new devices to it for IoT projects in the future, providing a single interface for all my devices. Now, let's see this thing in action. The creepy crawly acts as an indicator that the pool pump is off. On the Control Hub front end, I navigate to the pump controller and set the turn on temperature to 30 degrees Celsius. Notice that the override state is set to none, meaning the pump controller will autonomously toggle the pool pump based on temperature. I then save the configuration, after which I am taken to the pump controller dashboard, displaying the latest measured temperature and the latest average temperature used to toggle the pool pump, as well as the toggle status. The temperature is measured every minute. Once 15 measurements have been read, the average is calculated and displayed. I sped up this part of the video to get my point across. The pump controller then toggles the pump based on this latest average. With a turn on temperature of 30 degrees Celsius and the average being 31.4 degrees Celsius, the pool pump turns on. The status of the pump is then sent to the Control Hub, as mentioned previously. Finally, a quick demo of the overriding of the pump controller. The first override I perform is to turn the pool pump off again. And then I turn it on again.